Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm a recent HTC graduate. I want to share with you 3 motivating factors on why I decided to join Dan Locke's high-ticket closer program. 1. Develop a high-income skill that would allow me to finally quit my 9-to-5 job. 2. Be my own boss. 3. Finally be able to live the definition of being financially in control, not living paycheck to paycheck and feeling undervalued at my current job. What surprised me the most about this program, and what makes it very different from other programs, was that the fact that it was a live, 7-week, very intense program where Dan puts in extra effort making sure his mentees get the concepts and methodology he teaches through live demonstrations and impactful analogies. This is not some sales course chopped up with pre-recorded videos sent to your inbox to be passively viewed, with no support if you have any questions at all. The most profound way Dan has impacted me was through his building of his solid foundation, cultivating this skill set, which will lead to a mastery level of becoming a high-ticket closer. I have learned these new high-income skills, and I am actively working on becoming my own boss and transitioning from my 9-to-5 to becoming a full-time high-ticket closer. Thank you, Dan, Kayvon, and Desmond for creating this transformational course. So if you're a little skeptical or on the fence about joining HTC, or feel that this investment in yourself is a little bit of a stretch, don't. Find a way to make it. Take massive action. Invest in yourself. I know this course has completely changed my life, and I know it will change yours.